Hello everyone and welcome back to our series of solutions videos for the new grammar tree textbook. In today's video, we will be discussing chapter 23, Verbs, Future Time, for class 6. I'm here to provide you with the solutions to the exercises in this chapter. So, let's dive right in. A. Change the following sentences into the simple future. 1. They are going to visit the museum this week. Answer: they will visit the museum this week. 2. The new bus service takes you around the town in 15 minutes. Answer: the new bus service will take you around the town in 15 minutes. 3. The shops are not going to open day after tomorrow. Answer: the shops will not open day after tomorrow. 4. She is going to become a pilot after the test. Answer: she will become a pilot after the test. 5. The film is going to be very interesting. Answer: the film will be very interesting. 6. The game is supposed to start at 10 o'clock. Answer: the game will start at 10 o'clock. 7. I am going to come to your house after school is over. Answer: I will come to your house after school is over. 8. He is going away this weekend for a short excursion. Answer: he will go away this weekend for a short excursion. Let's dive straight into the answers to your burning questions. B. Fill in the blanks using verbs in brackets to complete these in their future continuous form. 1. I will be traveling from Kochi to Bangalore next month. 2. The audience will be enjoying the play for the first time in open air. 3. My father will be meeting the headmaster in a short while. 4. Narain will be competing against George in the final. 5. Over the next 2 days you will be working with them. 6. This time tomorrow, we will be sitting in the library. 7. Please do not call me after school, I will be watching the game. 8. Will you be waiting here till they arrive? 9. I will be going back home after the exams are over. 10. They will be studying after dinner. C. Fill in the blanks with the simple future form of the verbs given in the brackets. 1. I will not visit Goa, because I dislike the sea. 2. He has completely recovered, so he will play the next match. 3. They will study from the new books after the vacation. 4. The band members are here, they will sing at Albert Hall tomorrow. 5. Hina and Zoya will read out selections from their poetry. 6. The police will work on this case only. 7. The temperature will rise if people are not aware. 8. I have bought a new cycle, I will ride to school tomorrow. 9. Will you finish the assignment today? 10. All the students will run in tomorrow's marathon. And that concludes our solutions video. I hope this video has been helpful in clarifying any doubts you may have had regarding this chapter. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and we'll be glad to assist you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more solutions videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.